Dear student, now in this video we are going to start the questions of the chapter fraction for the 6th standard. These are the basic questions which you have to know for the upper classes also. So the topic is fraction and our question is to write the fraction for the given expression, right? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here are 4 expression being given and we are going to write their fraction. So our first expression is 2 out of 7. So 2 out of 7, how will I convert this expression to the fraction? So first of all, I will mark an equal to symbol, then I will draw a division bar, right? Because we know in a fraction there are 3 parts. One is division bar and one is numerator and the second one is denominator. So first of all I will have to draw a division bar. So our expression is 2 out of 7. So where I will write 2? I will write 2 upper side and I will write 7 downside. So this is the required fraction, 2 over 7. This is 2 over 7 is the required fraction for the given expression 2 out of 7. So I hope you understand this concept. If there is any doubt, then please write your query in my comment section. Now we go for the second part, 5 out of 18. So please guess and give me your reply in the comment section. What will be its answer? Yes, I think your answer is, first you will write division bar and then 5 and here you write 18. So whose answer is correct, please send a thumb expression in the comment section. Now we have changed the expression. Now our expression is written in words. 3/4. So how I will write this? The same way is here to write the fraction. First of all I will write division bar, then 3 is on the upper side and 4 or on the downside. So 3 by 4, this is the fraction. So there is no different whether the expression is given in the words or in the written form, right? Okay. So I hope you will guess the last answer, 5/7. So what will be its answer? Yes, 5 you will write upside and 7 you will write in downside. Now dear student, you have done the job you have been given to. Now your answers for the first question is 2 by 7 and for the second one is 5 by 18. For the third one 3 by 4 and 5 by 7. Now our duty is not finished by finding the answer. We are going to learn something new in this question. So you see, this is the fraction we have formed from the given expressions. So we are going to learn the parts of the fraction. So the upper part is called the numerator and the lower part is called denominator and the central line, that is called division bar. So I am going to write here in the first part, what is the numerator? I will write numerator in the short form NR. So numerator is here 2 and denominator is here 7, right? So this is the fraction where the numerator is 2 and the denominator is 7. Now we will learn an extra fact for this given fraction. So dear student, you see in all these fractions, the upper one numerator is smaller than the denominator. Okay, here you see 2 is smaller than the denominator. So these type of fraction where the upper numerator is smaller than the denominator, that is the proper fraction. So 2 by 7 is a proper fraction. Also 5 by 18 is a proper fraction or not? Please tell me or write your answer in yes or no. Please write yes or no for the answer of 5 by 18 is a proper fraction or not. Yes or not? 5 by 18 is a proper fraction. Why? Because 5 is smaller and 18 is smaller. 18 is greater. So if the numerator is greater and the denominator is smaller, then that fraction is called proper fraction. So here 5 by 18 is proper fraction. So similarly 2 by 7 is proper fraction. Proper fraction. Proper fraction. So here again you see 3 by 4. What type of fraction is 3 by 4? This is a proper fraction or not? Again, this is a proper fraction. So I will write 3 by 4 is proper. And reason I know you have come to know. 5 by 7 is again a proper fraction. So dear student, we finish our video for these parts. And if there is any doubt, then you may ask. And if you understand, then please send your reply in the comment section. And please share and subscribe my channel. And share this video to the students, those who don't know anything about the fractions. Thank you very much.